If you only use I am affirmations, you are only working with the root chakra. So each chakra system has its own affirmation, and I am is associated with the root chakra. So let's go through all the chakra systems and their different affirmations. So root chakra is I am. Example, I am free to shift into peace and calm energy whenever I desire. Let's move up to the sacral chakra. The sacral chakra is I feel. Example, I feel peace knowing that the universe has my back. Move up to the solar plexus. The solar plexus is I do. Example, I do not chase, I attract. So move up to the heart chakra. The heart chakra is I love. So an affirmation with I love. I love every cell in my body and they love me back. So the throat chakra is I speak. I speak my truth and honor my boundaries. The third eye chakra is I see. I see abundance all around me. The crown chakra is I understand. I understand that in order for me to protect myself, I need to let go of anyone that disrupts my peace. So make sure and try and include some more of the chakras in your affirmation work.